Hello guys, Brad here again with another very exciting video today. And today I'm going to do something that I very rarely do on my channel, and that is a haul video. And I know a lot of the fragrance reviewers out there do haul videos. They'll buy a large number of fragrances and then they'll open the boxes in front of everybody and share their enormous haul with everybody. And I know there's some controversy about haul videos. Some people think they're great and they enjoy sharing the excitement of the person that bought the haul, and some people think it's just a bunch of self-indulgent debauchery and a little bit douchey. But you know what? I read somewhere that the only person that can make you feel bad about yourself is you. So screw it. I'm doing this. Put the hate comments down below if you don't like it, because I don't care. I got 18 fragrances from eBay today in the mail, and I'm very excited, and I'm going to share my haul with my loyal subscribers. So now, let me give you some background here of what happened. A while back, not too long ago, I did a review of Lacoste de la Homme Intense, which is a rhubarb fragrance, and one of my viewers, Just Add Light, mentioned to me that he loved a particular Zara fragrance that was called Joe's Vetiver, I believe. So I started to do some research on this fragrance on eBay. Stumbled across a seller that had 18 fragrances for sale, and the price was amazing. Of course, the shipping was amazing. Couldn't pass it up. So I said, I'm doing this. You know, I deserve a little bit of joy in my life as well. I worked hard to make my channel where it is today. So let's see what I got. Okay, so I got these three things here. They're Zara fragrances. One's called Zara Classic, one's called Zara Sport, and one's called Zara Extreme. So each fragrance is numbered 5, 6, 8, 9, 12, and 14. So I believe the way Zara does their fragrance lines, they have numbers, and within each number there are 3 different versions. Now I know not all of their fragrances are like this. There's other fragrances, but 18 of their fragrances are like this apparently. It's a lot of fragrances, and it can be a little bit confusing, I believe, as well, to name your fragrances after a number and then attach a tag like Classic, Sport, and Extreme to differentiate those numbers. But yeah, each box contains 6 fragrances. See there, 6 there for the Classic, 6 for the Sport, and of course 6 for the Extreme. And I got all these, I think it was less than $20. The seller did say that these were lightly used, maybe 1 or 2 sprays each. So I am getting a used product, but as a reviewer, I don't need a full product. I just need a partial product so I can wear it maybe 2 or 3 times and then do a quick impression video on my channel. I think I have reviewed one of these already on my channel. One of these Zaras, I think it was maybe the Classic number 8. I'm not 100% sure, but I probably won't review that one again if I've already reviewed it. But there's at least 17 other Zara fragrances for me to check out, so I'm really excited about that. It's great hauls like this that keep my channel going, and I hope you're as excited as I am about my haul as well. So thanks for watching, thanks for sharing my joy and everything, and for your continued love and support. And Just Add Light, thanks for the inspiration for this haul. So thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.